Hey Doonieistas, this is the handbag hauler here, back with another video. I'm doing an unboxing today. This is not an unboxing from my 2019 goals list, but this is one that I saw and I had to get it. But before we get into that, please remember to like and subscribe. Hit the little bell button down there. Make sure you get the notifications whenever I do another video. So I am going to get into this because I have to run out really quick here. So I did open the box, but I wanted to just quickly do a review of this bag. This is the Florentine Cameron Satchel, and I got this one, I saw it on QVC. This is my first time ordering from QVC, but let's see how they do. I want you guys to share this experience with me. I don't know if any of you ever ordered from QVC, but let's see how I do. So it's kind of nice. This is the Florentine Cameron Satchel in the color Bordeaux. It's a really cute color. It's got a few little scratches on it. Nothing that can't be buffed out. Let's see what's going on in the inside here. Okay, so on the outside, this is the Florentine leather. And it has the smaller handle here with the gold hardware. You have your, just the leather Dooney patch on the back. It does have the stamping. It does have some scratches, as you guys can see here. Here's the back. Same type of gold tone handle, and then you have your braided zipper pull. Take out some of this coarse packing. You got your dust cover. It comes with the longer strap with the gold tone hardware on it. You got your keeper, and it looks like it has the normal, of course, Dooney Bourke inside setup. I'm not gonna take all the paper out, but it has the two pockets there, smaller pockets. It has a zipper pocket and a pouch. I see that it's kind of bent a little bit from the packing that they stuffed in there. It has the suede lining at the top, and then it looks like it has the leather tan lining. I don't like the fact that, I don't know if you can see how it's kind of this little pouch right here is bent. It was kind of folded down because of the stuffing in there. So that's probably going to end up staying like that. But let me stand up and see how it carries. It's a nice size. I like the stitching. It's the yellow stitching. Kind of goes with the hardware on there. But overall, it's a pretty good bag. It's not that bad. Like I said, the Florentine leather is so soft, so I can see how it could kind of get scratched up or whatever. So I'm not gonna make a big fuss about that. However, I do like the purse, and I'm gonna put all of this stuff back in here. I'm gonna try to unfold that little part right there. I don't like that. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna make sure it doesn't be folded when I stuff all this back in here. But I didn't do like I normally do. The Pecan Tan Beauty, know what I'm talking about. I carried today, let me show you what I carried today. I carried my tote with me today. I was really not trying to match. I just had a lot of crap to carry, so this is just what I'm carrying today. It's Thursday, so it's kind of a little bit of a relaxed day here. I'm going to put this back in there. Try to prevent further scratching. And that's funny, I just got a QVC email that came up on my computer. Matter of fact, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put the dust cover on this just to try to prevent any further scratches on it until I can get it protected here. So I'm gonna stuff this right back in, well, back into the dust cover, I should say. Put it right back in the bag until I get home. So I'm glad I'm able to share that experience with you. I wouldn't give it an A, but I would give it probably a B+. Just because of the scratches. I don't know if you guys ever experienced that or whatever. I've never experienced it, but it's, you know, you can buff them out. It's not a big deal. So I just want to share that with you guys. Leave your comments below and remember to like and subscribe and hit that little bell button. See you till next time.